It just came up a little bit.
Yeah, that's not it.
Back there, Pete.
Yeah,
Oh, there's bass here.
right here.
It's only 3 foot of water. See how much lower the water is? Look how the water... Pete, I'm sorry. Pete, look where the water usually is. See where the rocks are? Way up there. A couple of feet. Yeah, that's where they keep it. They actually lowered it
the line.
for the winter, I guess.
2 feet lower it is. Right? There's a line at 2, 3 feet?
Yep. At least.
There's a line that goes all the way down there. It looks like a line. Right? That way. Look at the birds. Look at the birds. Look at that thing.
Oh yeah, it's a gray heron.
The gray ones, they're all over the place.
Where? See a bird.
Right here.
He's camouflaged.
Isn't it beautiful?
Right over here.
Reminds me of Marvel.
He's gonna fly.
Hey man, tell him that's over there. Albert, there's a stick sticking out of the trick out of it.
Yeah, it's just little branches. I'm going to back this up a little bit.
Look at that bird. I wonder how good it tastes. Seriously.
I wonder how good it tastes. Oh. Barbie's
Well,
gonna
you won't
put it
eat
on the
turtles.
barbecue.
There's no crabs. Let's go for the birds.
No crabs.
Look at the clay.
There's lobsters though. See the red clay?
Is there lobsters?
Yeah, makes red lobsters.
No. Good. Here it is. Look it up. That's clay. Right? Is that sand or
Yep.
clay?
No, clay.
Right. That's probably why they built the lake here.
Pete,
Fine clay deposits. What?
throw the worm.
Throw a worm? Look where the worms are. They were here. You. No worms.
Right here, man. Right here. You're all set. You're all set. Throw a worm like from near those bush, that tree over there.
I'll catch them quick. Come on.
I'm not scared. Don't hit nobody. Further. Remember over your head?
A little further.
Overhead. Remember? Overhead.
Yeah, with your snap. With your snap. Check it with you.
Look at it. Somebody's fishing chair is there.
Yeah.
I want some guy at his house.
Oh, look at it before. Somebody put a fish there.